Hey guys, so I was asked to do a tutorial on the Charleston, and I just want to clarify that the Charleston is not the same as the two-step. The two-step is just 1 foot swiveling out, in, out, in. The Charleston, we walk step forward, step back, and this is more like, you know, like really poppy, ha, poppy, ha, poppy, ha. Okay, so it's right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. So now I'm also going to swivel my feet at the same time. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So just like the two-step, I brought my foot out and then I bring in my heel. It's the same thing on each step. So I go heel out, heel in, heel out, heel in, heel out, heel in, heel out, heel in. So this foot's on the toe, like that, as this one lifts in. So I'm going toe in, heel out. Then both my heels like kiss, but they don't come together. So they would do this, kiss, but because I'm taking a step, they don't kiss. Okay, so they're going, okay? So I go click and click and click and click. And you could do arms. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right. The arms are confusing for me, obviously. But you could do them. So you would go and forward, forward, and back, and back. And you would just kind of swing it as you go. I don't know why, but that's really hard for me to do. So it goes and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Even I struggle. I just don't ever practice this, but I was asked, and I do know how to do it. So step, step, and swivel, 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 swivel. And that's the Charleston. And that's not the two-step. So it is a series of steps. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you could do a whole set of 8. The two-step is literally 1 and 2. So those are the differences in that. Two-step is 2 steps. The Charleston is 4 counts, 4 steps. So I hope this answered some of your questions, and hopefully you can do this. So yeah, I hope that helped you. And if you liked this video, please like, subscribe, comment anything else that you would like to learn, and I hope you had fun with this video, and happy dancing. Bye.